Hi guys and welcome on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change the ringtone on iPhone 15. So here is my 15 Pro Max and to change the ringtone just go to settings and here tap on sounds and haptics. Go down and we have here ringtone. Tap to go inside and now it's selected reflection. This is the default ringtone on iPhone. And if you want to change it, just choose your favorite one from this list. I will choose this one and then just tap back. And as you can see, now the new ringtone is Daybreak. So it is very easy. Now let's go back. If you don't like any ringtone from this list, you can go to Tone Store. And here also we have a lot of ringtones, but be aware that you need to pay for this one. So it is very easy in my opinion. I hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.